Engineered Yacht Solutions, the marine welding and plumbing service experts. With a group of highly skilled welders, fabricators, expert machinists, creative designers, and forward-thinking engineers, we provide seamless and impressive marine welding and plumbing services. Our entire staff is experienced with working on luxury super yachts and commercial vessels. Maintaining the integrity of your boat is our #1 priority. Conveniently located in Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, and Savannah, Georgia, EYS is your local go-to marine experts. With our personalized travel staff of creative designers and engineers, you can put our skills to the test anytime, anywhere. Our services include structural welding, metal fabrication, marine plumbing, custom pipe fitting, metal polishing, valve testing, custom installations, and machine shop services.
Check out our team. This is Team EYS, the best in the business. The only company you want to see when you need your boat fixed, repaired, or modified. We are your go-to people. We are the best team. Take a look at us. From all parts of the world, locally grown and internationally grown, all here together to fix your boat and make your dreams come true. Come see us. You need us.
Contact us today, Engineered Yacht Solutions, the marine welding and plumbing service experts.